Hey, it's the car guy here, back with another Hot Wheels haul. Can't really call this an unboxing because I didn't take these out of a box. But as you can see, I've got 8 new Hot Wheels cars here. We're going to go through them here in a minute, but I just wanted to differentiate my basic two sources for Hot Wheels. I buy the vast majority of my Hot Wheels are retail sales at discount stores like Walmart and Target, and occasionally CVS Pharmacy. And then I do some cherry picking here and there on eBay, particularly models that I can't find elsewhere. Now, obviously the retail items cost approximately $1 a piece, and the eBay cars cost significantly more, and we'll leave it at that. And today we've got this Nissan Skyline 2000 GTX, which is a Japan Historics. We've got a Datsun 510, which was a Red Line Club Special exclusive. We got the Tokyo Olympics Toyota 2000 GT and Acura NSX. And on the bottom row, we've got some retails: a Mustang, a GoPro car, an Audi, and a Formula E Gen 2. Thanks.